gone green. Thanks to Star One Credit Union. Star One, we financed our EV solar through Star One. It was so easy, and we're saving all over the place.
So you bought an EV and a solar system, and you painted your house neon green.
Too bright?
Not if I shade my eyes.
Ready to go green? Check out the great financing options at Star One. Go to star1.org today. Come get the star treatment at Star One.
You're not going anywhere.
Think again. I've got all getting out of here.
In your dreams.
My imagination, actually. Bestsellers, motivation, mysteries, thrillers, whatever I want. I'm going places this summer.
You think audiobooks, Audible Originals, and podcasts are going to save you?
From the everyday? From you? Yes. The first 30 days are free when you sign up for membership. Don't be a fool.
Look who's giving orders now.
You're pathetic. Sign up for a free Audible trial at audible.com.
Never. Wait, you said audible.com, right?
You can buy everything else online. Why not buy a brand new car? Hey, it's Sean O'Grant, and I can only be talking about our exclusive no-brainer checkout from DGDG, the online car buying experience that's, well, a no-brainer. Shop online, buy online, get loan pre-approved, even customize your lease, finance, or purchase options. Buy a brand new car completely online with no-brainer checkout, exclusively from DGDG.
There's magic in the world.
People will tell you there isn't.
They just want you to get not ask questions.
Those people need 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
When you've seen the magic
And felt the magic.
you can no longer deny the magic.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
And now we pause for a word from Charlotte, the junk fairy.
A friend is a person who brings a little magic with them. Be a friend.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
Baseball's biggest stars are headed to Los Angeles for MLB All-Star Week 2022.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go.
Get in on the action at Capital One Playball Park and MLB Live in DCLA from July 16th to 19th. It's the ultimate fan experience for the entire family. Come down to the LA Convention Center and enjoy the food, play interactive games, and connect with big leaguers and legends. For tickets and more All-Star information, go to allstargame.com today.
Let's go.
I wanted to know why some people who get COVID-19 get it so bad. I found out it may be because they have a high risk factor, such as heart disease, diabetes, being overweight, smoking, and asthma. Even if symptoms these factors can increase your risk of COVID-19 turning severe. So if you're at high risk and test positive, there are things you can do, like asking your healthcare provider if an authorized oral treatment for you. Learn about an option at treatcovid19.com. This message is sponsored by Pfizer. When you have trouble sleeping, it's tough. When kids have trouble sleeping,
Mom, I can't sleep. Dad, just one more story.
for nights like this, try Vicks Pure Z's Kids. Our great tasty gummies are specially formulated for kids with a unique blend of botanicals support their natural sleep cycle. Best of all, they're drug-free and non-habit forming. Help your child fall asleep naturally with Pure Z's Kids gummies. Consult with a doctor before use. For ages 4 and up.
Goodbye, bench press. Adios, squat rack. Fare thee well, kettlebell.
Hey, Kellen, need a spot?
No, Jake from State Farm. I'm just saying goodbye to my pricey gym membership.
What? Don't give up what you love. State Farm has options like insuring your home and ride.
Nice. Hey, can I buy you a protein shake or a granola bar?
For surprisingly great rates. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Call or go to statefarm.com for a quote today.
And they come in lots of flavors. That's what tobacco companies tell you. Here are 3 things tobacco companies don't say. 1. Many teens don't know their flavored e-cigs have nicotine. 2. Nicotine is a poison that can rewire the teen brain. 3. 80% of kids who try did it because of the flavors. So even when it tastes like candy, nicotine is brain poison. Go to flavorsforkids.org for more.
The new Talkback Mike is now live on the free iHeartRadio app. It's Marcus from but no, you can now record and send a message to your favorite host on Star. All you have to do, open up the free iHeartRadio app, stream Star 1013, and then look for that little red microphone button next to the play button. That one right there. Press that, record your message, and then hit send. It's that simple. We can't wait to hear from you.
Hey, it's Tori from San Carlos. I listen to you guys every
Now on the free iHeartRadio app.
I know that I
to give it all up. Trying to block you out, but you're invading my thoughts. And you got 10 fingers right around my heart. Wish I could give anything that you want, but I won't, no. Oh, you should let it go, you're better off alone. Cause I'm about to get over you. I know that look on your face. You're coming my way tomorrow, say goodbye. And I will never change. I couldn't even if I wanted to for you. There's nothing left to say. If I was you, then I would stay 1,000 miles away. Here in yours, I'm gone. You got me wrong, and I played along. I know that look on your face. You're coming my way tonight. Here goes another mistake. I know I'm gonna make tonight, and I will never change. I couldn't even if I wanted to for you. There's nothing. I was you, if I was you, then I would stay 1,000 miles away.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. Star 101.3. Hello there. Happy Sunday. Little bit of the weekend left. I'm Jason from the Marcus and Corey Morning Show on a Back to the 90s weekend. I believe this song came out in 1997. Third Eye Blind on Star.
She lives for me, says she lives for me, motivation. Who wants motivation? She comes round and she goes down to me. And I'll make you smile like a talk for you. Whoever what you wanna do, coming over you. Keep on smiling what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that divides you. And it beats to you like the chorus to the verse. Stop another line like a gunner with the curse. Coming like a we give him the game, so like to say I want something to get me through this. Stepping some kind of line. Baby, I want something. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. The sky was gold, it was rose, I was taking things, time to do enough. Smiling in the pictures you would take. Doing crystal meth will lift you up until you break, it won't stop. The tick-tock rhythm, above for the drop and then I bumped up. I took the hit that I was given, then I bumped again, then I bumped again. I said, how do I get back there to the graceful lifestyle of sleep inside you? How do I get myself back to the first when we said, I want something to get me through this. Baby, I want something. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. I believe in the sand beneath my toes. The beach gives a feeling and a deep feeling. I believe in the faith that grows and the full life that can make me high. When I'm with you, I feel like I could die, and that will be alright. And when the breaking lives, she said she was crossing the very eclipse in the sea, which is on the earth to feel alive. Now I'm struggling to survive those days you were wearing out of this dress. You're the princess, I must confess. Those little red panties, they fly protect. So on the belly, face down on the mattress front, and you hold me, and we are broken. Still it's not if I wanna feel touched, and I feel myself. I'm not coming down. No. I won't bother. She's got the toss out locked down in a smile, but nothing is alright. I want something.
2000s, and today, Star 1013. Hello there. Thank you for spending some time with me tonight. I'm Jason from the Marcus and Corey Morning Show. Back with the crew, live at 6 a.m. and then 7:05. Second date update. Thought that first date was magical. You were going to get him on the phone and find out what's really going on. Second date update tomorrow, 7:05. Marcus and
Make this the year you go to our iHeartRadio Music Festival.
Tickets are on sale now at AXS.com.
See the Black Keys, Avril Lavigne, Pat Benatar, and Neil Giraldo. 15 acts, 2 nights on one stage. The biggest names from all.
Lionel Richie. LL Cool J. Combs.
Maren Morris.
Megan Thee Stallion.
Morgan Wallen.
Nicki Minaj. Tickets now at AXS.com.
Our 2022 iHeartRadio Music Festival.
3rd and 24th.
T-Mobile Arena here in Las Vegas.
Stream it free on the CW app and CWTV.com.
Brought to you by T-Mobile. Switch to the network with more 5G bars in more places so you can experience your music whether you're streaming from home or from the front row. Plus, customers can get closer to the festival with VIP access. Only from the leader in 5G coverage. T-Mobile.
Progressive Insurance protects people's cars. If you've ever seen our commercials or even just heard our name, you probably already knew that. What you may not know is that we support Humble Design, a non-profit that furnishes homes for families and veterans emerging from homelessness. Because a little help goes a long way. And a lot of help, well, you get the idea. Now, if you already knew all of this about Progressive Insurance, we're impressed. We'll have to find something else cool to tell you next time. Find out more about how we're dedicated to our customers and communities at Progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates.
I always wanted to learn Spanish, but I never thought I'd have the time. Then I discovered Babbel.
Babbel's lessons are fun. They only take like 10 or 15 minutes, and in 3 weeks, presto, you're speaking another language, like magic.
I love that Babbel's lessons aren't just robots talking. They're voiced by native speakers. Do you get the pronunciation just right? If you
easier, better way, then
Babbel.
Babbel.
Babbel. Go to Babbel.com to try for free. That's BABBEL.com. Babbel.com.
Switching and saving with so you're free to ponder life's big questions. Like, why do people say it goes without saying and then say it anyway? I mean, if it really goes without saying, you should instead not say it and just give a knowing look.
Well, folks, it goes without saying.
What does?
Thing that I'm not gonna say.
Okay.
Switch and save with Geico. It's easier than you think.
In the morning, I see people strutting around the office with what they call breakfast. So McDonald's breakfast is my office flex. I get a sausage McMuffin made with savory sausage topped with melty American cheese, a sausage burrito loaded with fluffy eggs, sausage, melty cheese, green chilies, and onion, or crispy hash browns. And then I get a nut for just $1. Nobody can match my breakfast flex. Prices and participation may vary. Cannot be combined with any other offer or combo meal. Valid for item of equal or lesser value.
Jay needs to move a couch across town. Beth lives nearby and has a truck she barely uses. Problem is, they don't know each other. Luckily, Beth is sharing her truck on the Get Around app, so Jay can rent it, while Beth plans a vacay with the money she just earned. Problem solved for Jay, who can even unlock the car from the app. Magic. Get Around, the car-sharing community that lets you share your car. Learn more at getaround.com.
There's magic in the world.
People will tell you there isn't.
They just want you to get back to work.
Be quiet.
And not ask questions.
Those people need 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
When you've seen the magic,
And felt the magic.
you can no longer deny the magic.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
From Charlotte, the junk fairy.
A friend is a person who always brings a little magic with them. Be a friend.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
Tide presents Laundry Truths, Cold Hard Savings.
Oh, hey. About to start a load. On hot? You know, washing in cold water Tide can save you up to $150 a year on your energy bill. $150? Go on. Simple. Plus, Tide Pods are designed for a powerful clean. Wow, cool tip. Get it? Oh yeah, I get it.
Turn to cold and Energy savings based on average from switching from hot to cold and non-AC machines.
You can make a difference.
If you can plan barbecues and weddings, you can plan to protect yourself from a natural disaster. Sign up for local alerts, prepare an emergency kit, and make a family communications plan. Get started at
Ad Council.
You can make a difference. Find out what's going on in the Bay Area. Visit calendar.
Hey, it's Marcus and Corey, and if you haven't noticed yet, summer travel season is officially in effect, and the free iHeartRadio app is coming along for the ride.
Now you can take Star 1013 with you anywhere.
From road trips across the country